When you decide to take and pass HPE Storage Solutions exam, we recommend to take and read DumpsBase HPE0-J68 exam dumps questions. The HPE Storage Solutions program HPE0-J68 exam tests your knowledge and experience with HPE storage platforms and products, including the ability to size, design, install, configure, optimize, upgrade, manage, monitor, troubleshoot, and maintain HPE storage solutions. It will demonstrate that you can assess business requirements and develop and implement a solution to meet customer needs. HPE0-J68 dumps are based on the skills and knowledge points. We ensure that you can pass HPE0-J68 exam in the first attempt. Question number 1. You are planning a single-site nimble solution with ISCSI connectivity. 210 GB SFP plus dual-port NICs are included in the configuration. You designed an intelligent resilient framework IRF stack with HPE Flex Fabric 5900 CP switches. Which statement is correct when discussing the IRF limits for this configuration? A. When connecting an ISCSI storage to an IRF stack, a minimum of 410 GBE ports must be used per switch. B. A maximum of 2 switches can be used in an IRF stack when connecting storage. C. In an IRF stack with storage connectivity, the 40 GBE ports cannot be used. D. The used IRF ports for ISCSI traffic have to be configured as 10 GBE converged ports. Answer A. Question number 2. A customer currently has a CS1000H and wants to upgrade to a CS3000. What must be considered before upgrading? A. This upgrade is disruptive and needs planned downtime. B. A capacity upgrade to a fully populated array has to be performed first. C. Timeless storage support is not offered for CS1000H entry-level systems. D. A controller upgrade to a CS1000F has to be performed first. Answer B. Question number 3. A customer need a new storage system for Visual Desktop infrastructure environment to reduce the time required to provision new desktop. Which HPE solution should you recommended to fulfill this customer's requirements? A. Snap clones on HPE MSA 2040. B. Smart clone on HPE Store Virtual VSA 54. C. Storage pool on HPE Store Easy. D. Virtual copy on HPE 3PAR StoreServe. Answer B. Question number 4. A customer needs to manually map out preferred paths within a multi-switch fabric, based on application, priority, and topology, while allowing failover to a non-preferred path if the preferred path fails. Which B-Series FC switch functionality should be used to provide this? A. Quality of services. B. Enhanced group management. C. Frame filtering. D. Traffic isolation zones. Answer D. Question number 5. What are two advantages of HPE Recovery Manager Central? Select 2. A. Enables automatic transparent failover. B. Less expensive than traditional backup. C. Includes pure copy asynchronous replication. D. Manual data provisioning and policy-based copy protection. E. Integration capabilities utilizing HTML. Answer. B, C. Question number 6. An HPE3PAR StoreServe 9000 all-flash array customer plans to deploy a secondary array 20 km away from their primary array to enable storage replication over a dark fiber. Their existing environment consists of one HPE Synergy Frame 12000, HPE SN6000B fiber channel switches, HPE Flex Fabric 5700 switch series, and HPE Store Once systems. Which HPE license is required to meet the customer's technical requirements? A. Intelligent Resilient Framework licenses. B. HPE Store Once replication. C. Extended Fabric. D. HPE3PAR remote copy. Answer. D. Question number 7. A customer has a large deployment of HPE Synergy compute modules, HPE3PAR StoreServe storage, and HPE Store Once systems in a single data center. They are concerned about the risk of data loss due to site disaster. What is the reason to propose HPE CloudBank? A. To easily move workloads to AWS or Azure in the event of site disaster. B. To improve RPO/RTO objectives by automating snapshot-based integrating between 3PAR and Store Once. C. To regularly send backups to the cloud for the purposes of doctor protection. D. To leverage 3PAR snapshots and utilize Store Once recovery capabilities to minimize data loss and downtime. Answer. C. Question number 8. Which statement describes HPE Store virtual network RAID functionality? A. Redundancy is managed on a per-volume basis. B. With network RAID 10+2 data is striped and mirrored across 2 or more storage systems. C. Network RAID 10 requires an even number of storage nodes. D. Volumes remain available if an odd number of nodes are available. Answer. A. Question number 9. Users are complaining about poor performance with their data warehouse application. What is an effective solution to increase their performance at minimal cost? A. HPE3PAR Adaptive Flash Cache. B. HPE3PAR Priority Optimization. C. HPE3PAR Dynamic Optimization. D. HPE3PAR Adaptive Optimization. Answer. B. Question number 10. A customer wants to expand his cascaded B-series-based SAN but is concerned about latencies within the SAN backend. You recommend changing the topology to a full mesh. Which switch feature will ensure that the latencies in the backend are at the lowest possible level? A. LACP, B. NPIV, C. FSPF, D. VSF. Answer: C.